crispy homemade onion bhaji recipe. If you love Indian takeaways, then onion bhajis are probably high on your favorites list. Crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful inside. These golden fritters are the perfect starter, snack, or side dish with curry. The best part? You can easily make them at home with just a few pantry ingredients. This step-by-step onion bhaji recipe gives you light, crunchy bhajis packed with onions, spices, and herbs, just like your favorite restaurant. Ingredients: vegetable oil for deep frying. Approximate 3 to 4 cups / 720 to 960 milliliters. 2 large onions, peeled and thinly sliced. 1 tablespoon minced ginger. 1 green chili, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1 tablespoon coriander leaf, chopped. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. 1 teaspoon ground fenugreek. 3/4 teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon garlic salt. 130 gram flour, chickpea flour / besan, about 1½ cups plus 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon corn flour, cornstarch. Half a teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, baking soda. 135 milliliters water. Half a cup plus 1 tablespoon. Instructions: prepare the onions. Thinly slice the onions using a sharp knife or mandolin. A mix of thicker and thinner slices gives a rustic texture. Mix with spices. Place the sliced onions in a large mixing bowl. Add minced ginger, chopped chili, cumin, coriander leaf, chili flakes, fenugreek, salt, and garlic salt. Stir to coat the onions. Add flours and soda. Sprinkle in gram flour, corn flour, and bicarbonate of soda. Toss everything together so the onions are fully coated. Make the batter. Add water gradually, a splash at a time, and mix until the onions are coated in a thick batter. The mixture should stick together when pressed. Shape the bhajees. take a spoonful of the mixture. Press gently in your hands to form a rough ball or patty, then place back onto a spoon ready for frying. Fry until golden. Heat oil in a deep pan to around 170 to 180 degrees Celsius, 340 to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Lower 4 to 5 bhajis into the oil and fry for 3 to 4 minutes, turning halfway until crisp and golden brown. Drain and repeat. Remove the bhajis with a slotted spoon and drain on kitchen paper. Keep warm in a low oven, 130 degrees Celsius, 250 degrees Fahrenheit, while cooking the rest. Serve and enjoy. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander, and serve hot with sweet chili sauce, mint chutney, or mango chutney. Tips for the best onion bhajis. Crispier texture. Slice onions thinly so they cook evenly. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry in batches for even cooking. Extra flavor, add garam masala or turmeric to the batter. Make ahead, reheat in a hot oven for 5 minutes to restore crispiness. Serving suggestions. As a starter with dipping sauces. On the side of a curry night feast. In wraps or naan with salad and chutney for a quick street food style snack.